Okay, today we're going to review this Tesla paint kit repair. We have a chip here. Okay, we're going to try to repair that. And the first thing we want to do is we want to clean the area. We want to get rid of any dust or grease around the area so the paint sticks well. I'm using a lens wipe. You can get these in any store. Just want to clean around it, make sure there's no grease or dust. Okay, next step, open the box. Okay. Now we got our paint here. Also, it's very important to find your paint code. And that's really important, and then match it. So, now you want to shake this well. It's got like a little bowl or something inside. Now, the brush is going to be inside the microfiber rag, along with another pair of gloves here. They're in here, I assume? Yes. Just very tiny. There's two of them. We're going to use a smaller one here. I don't need that big one. Okay. Okay, well, gravity is on my side right now, so what we're going to do is start from the top here and just apply it here. And let it just like run down. We're going to repeat this 3 or 4 times. Once it dries, you have to let it sit for about 2 minutes, they say. Okay, now we're going to use the squeegee to run across the paint chip, just like that. Okay, applying second coat. Okay, again, use your squeegee across. Okay, let that dry for 2 minutes. Third coat. Now we're going to apply the blending solution, and it comes with the white cloth here. You have to shake this. You want to apply it to the cloth. And what you want to do is you don't want to go over the paint chip that you just applied the paint to. What you're going to do is go around it. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for viewing. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos.